Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the chat appearance on Croissant AI. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Croissant AI app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Explore, Search, Create, Messages, and your profile. Tap on your profile, then from the top right corner, go to Settings. Now on the settings, you can see options like Language, Auto Translate, Account Settings, Manage Account, My Blogs, Subscription Plan, Tasks and Bonuses, then finally Personalization. Tap on Personalization option. There you can see you can customize the appearance of your chat bubbles. There are options like Default, Dark, Black, Pink, and Sea Salt Cheese. To use Black, Pink, and Sea Salt Cheese, you're gonna have to subscribe to their VIP offer. Well, choose one of those, then go back and you can see your chat appearance has been changed. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your chat appearance on Croissant AI. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.